Hey guys, Zakk here. Welcome back to the next part of this live mixing session. Today we're actually going to be working on dialing in the kick drum sound. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, welcome back. I just finished tuning my ears with some reference mixes and rocking out. So now it is time to start mixing. And I'm actually just going to let you hear a little bit of this track. It's completely unmixed, just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like now, and then we can jump right in. Oh, and just real quick, make sure you pay very close attention to the drummer. He's probably the best drummer I've ever heard. And just a quick secret, it's me. Okay, so now that I told you that, you're probably like, with this unmixed drum set, you're like, this guy sucks, man. But we'll make me sound good. And that's actually what I like to start off with, is the drums. So we are going to mute all this other stuff and then go straight to the kick. And not the snare. So here's actually what I do with the kick. I always just duplicate it and drag that down, and I make one my sub kick, one my top kick, and just it lets me have more control over the low end, and I can really smash the low end of the kick so it doesn't get crazy. We're gonna say this is the kick. This is the sub kick. Okay. Then what we're going to do on this one, actually, you know what? I forgot my special new technique. I haven't been doing this that long. Doing this technique long. So I actually take all the channels and then throw my favorite SSL E channel across the whole thing. Takes a second. There we go. Then once I have it on every channel, just come over. This is the Plugin Alliance Brainworks version. Just hit this random channel, all, boom, and now every channel is a different channel on their modeled SSL E. So now it's just like I'm mixing on an SSL. And then with the sub kick, so back to business now. Sub kick, we're just going to get a loop going. Kick actually sounds really good. Not that I was responsible for, so I was in the wedding, number one, I was a groomsman. This was recorded at a wedding, by the way. I was responsible for live multi-tracking, and then I was also playing the drums, and then I also did the mixing, mastering, release, distribution, release, all that stuff. So since I was playing drums, obviously don't judge me too hard for the recording, but this kick did actually come out pretty nice. So we're going to lock in on this 50 hertz range. I like to give it a little boost there so it doesn't conflict with the bass too much. So for me, I usually like my bass to sit around in that 100 hertz range, and then the kick lives in that 50-60 range for the low end. Just if you were wondering. Turn this up a little bit. I can barely hear it. Okay. So that's good for my sub kick. And then we're going to layer this in with our top. Okay, we're going to try it right there. Go a little bit Chris Lord Algae style, crank it. Add some compression. And then for the sub kick, I'm actually going to use a separate, well, actually, we can compress it a little bit. With the SSL. But I actually want to hit it with another compressor too. The Logic stock one will be fine. Turn the auto gain off, turn the auto release off. I'm going to go fast attack just because I don't want it to get unruly. And hit it pretty hard ratio wise. Take about 6 dB off. Heck, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now it's nice and consistent. I don't have to worry about it pumping anything or doing anything. Like the level I set it at is going to be the level it is. And now we just need to blend it in with the top. Okay, moving on to the snare drum. Actually, that'll be in the next video. So, I will see you next time.